Scott Peterson returned to San Mateo courtroom for the final hearing to determine whether he should get a new trial. He was convicted of murdering his pregnant wife, Lacey, nearly 20 years ago. KPIX5's Max Darrow spoke with legal experts on Peterson's chances of getting retried.
Witness testimony wrapped up today, and we also now are getting a better sense of when we'll learn whether Scott Peterson gets a retrial or not.
On the fifth and final day of this evidentiary hearing, attorney Pat Harris and the rest of Peterson's defense team continued their effort to show Rochelle Nice lied on her juror questionnaire, was biased against Peterson, and denied him of a fair trial. Nice's attorney Nagad Zaki was the final witness to testify. Legal analyst Paula Canny says the burden of proof is on the defense.
You have to show that she lied with the intention of basically torpedoing the defense, and that's the tough hurdle for the defense.
Peterson was present in the courtroom for all 5 days of witness testimony, but he did not speak. His sister-in-law, Janie Peterson, who's maintained his innocence for years, did speak to reporters after proceedings concluded.
This isn't a situation where Scott would have an opportunity to speak or share. I think he's hopeful that this conviction will be overturned.
That decision rests with Superior Court Judge Ann Christine Masulo. Former prosecutor Steve Clark thinks it could go either way.
So I think it's too close to call, and obviously there's high stakes here both for Scott Peterson and for Lacey Peterson's family, who have endured 20 years of this litigation and still, to some extent, have not received closure.
If the judge rules Peterson gets a retrial, it means Peterson would get a completely new murder trial. If she denies a retrial, Canny says that won't be the end of the story.
There will absolutely be appeals based on that denial that will go through the California courts as well as the federal courts, and this will be ongoing litigation for easy multiple years.
And we're looking forward to the judge's ruling.
Oral arguments are scheduled for June 29th. Once the case is submitted, the judge has up to 90 days after that to render a decision. So that puts us out to as late as September to know if Peterson will get a retrial or not. In Redwood City, Max Darrow, KPIX 5.